Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to use sai in Norwegian. The reflexive pronoun sai is a cornerstone of Norwegian grammar. To truly master the language, understanding its application is essential. In Norwegian, sai is a reflexive pronoun which translates to himself, herself, itself, or themselves, depending on the subject it refers to. Essentially, it connects back to the subject when the subject and the object are the same entity. Uses with the reflexive verbs. Several Norwegian verbs are reflexive. This means that the action of the verb reflects back onto the subject, and sai is typically used in this context. Examples include han vasker seg, han vasker seg, han vasker seg. He washes himself. Hun kler på seg, hun kler på seg, hun kler på seg. She dresses herself. De koser seg, de koser seg, de koser seg. They enjoy themselves. Differentiating from other pronouns. It's vital to understand how sai differs from pronouns like hum, him, and henne, her. These do not possess the reflexive function of sai. For instance, incorrect. Hun ser henne i speilet. Hun ser henne i speilet. She sees her, another person, in the mirror. Correct. Hun ser seg i speilet. Hun ser seg i speilet. Hun ser seg i speilet. She sees herself in the mirror. The possessive form of sai. Sai can manifest in possessive forms. Sin for masculine. And si for feminine nouns. And sit for neuter nouns. This distinction helps clarify that the object of the sentence belongs to its subject. Example. Han vasker bilen sin. Han vasker bilen sin. Han vasker bilen sin. He washes his own car. Hun leser boka si. Hun leser boka si. Hun leser boka si. She reads her own book. Barnet spiser eplet sitt. Barnet spiser eplet sitt. Barnet spiser eplet sitt. The child eats his own apple. Phrases incorporating sai. Several Norwegian idiomatic expressions utilize sai. Here are some examples along with sentences for context. Sette seg, sette seg, sette seg. To sit down. Hun setter seg ned ved vinduet. Hun setter seg ned ved vinduet. Hun setter seg ned ved vinduet. She sits down by the window. Føle seg, føle seg, føle seg. To feel. Han føler seg trist i dag. Han føler seg trist i dag. Han føler seg trist i dag. He feels sad today. Gifte seg, gifte seg, gifte seg. To get married. De skal gifte seg neste sommer. De skal gifte seg neste sommer. De skal gifte seg neste sommer. They're getting married next summer. Sai is more than just a pronoun in Norwegian. It's a bridge to understanding nuanced reflexive actions and possessive constructs in the language. By recognizing its many uses and applications, especially with reflexive verbs and in idiomatic phrases, learners can make significant strides towards fluency. Regular exposure and practice will ensure that sai becomes integral to your Norwegian vocabulary. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no nlsnorwegian.no